Color vision allows vervets to see ripe fruit. The Kalahari receives too much rainfall to be called a desert. Lions scrape their feet in urine to mark their boundary as they patrol. Vervets are preyed on by leopards, snakes, and raptors. Lions are fearless hunters. Secretary birds stomp on their prey and swallow it whole. Birds have an extra eyelid called the nictitating membrane. Vervet monkeys alarm call when they see predators. This leopard is calling her cub. Look how slow the nyala bull does his courtship display.